if your TikTok account has been banned, I'll try to show you exactly what to do to try to get it unbanned. But there are certain things that may have caused you a real ban on TikTok that you cannot undo. So I'll mention 4 of them here, and if you've done any one of those, this process may not work. You could still try it when I show it to you. Now, if you followed a whole bunch of people or liked a whole bunch of videos and TikTok thought you're a bot, that's a good reason that you're gonna be banned, and there's most likely not a thing you could do to get you unbanned if you did that, and you might have to start from scratch. The second reason is based on the type of content, so the type of video, and TikTok makes a mistake on this all the time. They've done it to my account multiple times where they removed the video, and then I went through the same process sort of for getting my video back, and they put it back. So they do make this mistake all the time, and you need to appeal that type of content removal every time it happens to you, so then you don't have multiple violations and get your account banned. But if you posted something that clearly broke their community guidelines, there's no way to get it back either, even if you go through the appeal process. And another very common reason is if you go live or if you post comments that break the community guidelines, you could get banned. And the last thing is if you're under 13 and TikTok finds out, you are going to get banned, and there's no way to get an account if you're under 13. So to get unbanned on TikTok, this is what you need to do. If you can't access your profile at all, what you need to do is create a new account so you could actually contact TikTok in the TikTok app. So just press add an account, make a new account here. And once you make an account, what you need to do is press the 3 lines on that new account. And then there's an option here, it says report a problem. Go to this page to contact TikTok, which is the only way to get a TikTok account unbanned. You press this option. And here, this is how I was able to resolve an issue that I had with TikTok, but you just basically press this and create a new feedback right here. Press that. And then once you create a new feedback, it brings you to this page where it says, tell us your feedback, do not include personal information. So you could tell TikTok exactly what happened. Now, as I mentioned, TikTok does make a mistake on this a lot. So if they removed your video or if they blocked you or banned you, and you believe you did not break any of the things I mentioned in the beginning, or you read the community guidelines and you did everything correctly, type out your issue here and then try to give them as much information about the other account, because you have to be using a new account here. Sometimes if you try to log in, by the way, to the account that was banned, you will get a pop-up sometimes that says appeal this too, so you could press the appeal on this account. So go to a different device, log in, and with the same username and password, and something will pop up saying appeal the ban, and try to get it unbanned that way. Now, outside of that, the main reason I wanted to make this video is please ignore all types of comments that show up on YouTube saying they could get your account unbanned. They cannot. This is the only way to do it. It has to be done by TikTok. Everything else is not accurate. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.